Aw, hey Israel, how you doing? How's it going? Are we all ready, steady for today? Oh, why not? Shelf expired? Why can't you trade today? And Mike the Goat. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Jose, hi. Are we ready? Are we ready, steady? Okay, so it wouldn't have hit my 3R, but I see it would have hit my 2R continuously. Multiple times. Okay. Yeah, just okay. Ugh, so it would have been good if I took full TP, but it is what it is. I'm still up $82. I know that's not a lot, but still. Let's be positive. Green is green. $82 in all. Green is green. London low, and here is London high. Okay. Now, the question is, do we think New York is going to be continuation or reversal? Ah, shelf expired, I'm sorry. Oh, awesome. Heck yeah, definitely keep in touch with this little South African over here. I'm all keen for it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Did anyone get in any good trades this morning during London session? Or is everyone kind of waiting for the Nasdaq, the Nasdaq futures? Oh my goodness. Is everyone kind of waiting for the New York session to open up? Apparently, Franks, yeah, I think there's a holiday? Someone said it's Martin Luther King Day? Is that true? Is that what's happening? I mean, let's see. Maybe it's then just chip choppy and it's meh. But I mean, London was actually pretty decent. I'm not going to complain about London, so let's see how this goes. Maybe it's awesome and we want to be trading this afternoon. Just check here. Cool. Ah, Bob? Thank heavens you're alive. Where have you been? Geordie? Well, I'm glad Geordie is alive after nearly, you know, dying in the floods, but I'm joking. Well, I'm low-key joking. I'm glad that you are safe. Glad that you're safe. Ah, okay. Okay, we're good too. We've got this, basically. We've got this. You're welcome, Geordie. Geordie, did you get any trades in this morning, or have you just kind of been waiting? Oh, by the way, for everybody.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
That's for everyone. Good morning. How are you? Oh, thanks, Bob. I know I was then waiting for you because I was like, oh, this means we can give away Bob's secret sauce, but I'm not going to give away Bob's secret sauce without Bob. Like, that makes absolutely no sense. But yeah, at 10K, when I saw that on, was it Saturday or Sunday? When I saw it, I nearly fell over. I was like, no ways. I'm low-key disappointed it didn't happen on a live, but still. Right, Bob, it's been ridiculous. I think... Oh, man. Do you know what I should maybe do? I should maybe do like a throwback video. Michelle, hey. Why is the vertical so empty? Good question. Why is the vertical so empty? That's super weird. And the horizontal is actually chit-chatty. Super odd. What's happening? Is today like opposite day? I mean, I'm all for it, but is today opposite day? Is it a holiday? Hey, Kyle. Apparently it is. Apparently it is a bank holiday today. Could also be for that reason. I think everyone's just chin-chilling and sleeping in because it is a bank holiday. So let's see if we get some decent movement. Maybe we will. Maybe we won't. Different Vishal, Geordie. Different one. Yes, Vishal. Yeah, he's thinking of the one that's a little bit entertaining. You can do it the super simple way by pulling up your chords and giving the distance they can set themselves. After that, or... True? Okay, wait. Geordie. Yeah, that's Michelle I'm thinking. No, Geordie. No. Different Michelle. This is a very cool Michelle. We like this Michelle. Okay, no, man. I see Wi-Fi is now having a moment again. Seriously? Seriously? Give the method so they can apply to other triggers. Bob, I'm very sure that there is a way. Am I lagging hectically right now, guys, or is it not as bad as I think it is? I think it's quite bad. Is it bad? I feel like it's bad. Is it okay? And I specifically put this on to make sure that it wasn't terrible before I started streaming, and now it's having there we go, it's calming down. Anyways, I don't understand why it's having moments today. We continue. What time is it? Okay, we still have time. We've still got time until open. And there's no news today, right? There's no news today, so we're good. You can try and share that screen. Heck yeah, we can definitely do that, actually. Maybe we do it tomorrow, if you're able to, Bob. What do you say? Are you able to do it tomorrow? Because then I can do the basics of today, and then if you want to share, like, your experience, yeah? Been here one. Ah, there we go. Okay, there we go. Looks like Wi-Fi's calmed down again. Damn. But yes. Here we go. Okay, what do you think New York is going to be? Do you think New York is going to be continuation to the bear side, or do you think New York is going to be reverse? There we go. A reversal. Hey, Steven, what's up? How's it going, Steven? How you doing? But yes, whoop whoop, definite whoop whoop. There we go. Whoop whoop for everyone new, having a good old time. There we go. Whoop whoop. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope everyone had an amazing weekend, actually. How was everyone's weekend? How was everything? I don't know if Geordie knows about the deal, Bob. Geordie, do you know about the deal? Did you forget about the deal? I can't tell if Geordie remembers. Kids had a snow day today. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Okay. Let's hope the Wi-Fi plays ball. Join a video. No, I guess it doesn't matter, hey? Bob? Can you hear me? Is the Wi-Fi having a moment? I feel like it's because the Wi-Fi is having a moment. Yeah. Hey, Witcher, what's up? Bob can hear me. Psst. Hey! So cool. Okay. Okay, I need to just see. I will be able to share the screen. I just need to be able to, yeah, get your audio working. I'm sure there's a way to get your audio working. Haha. Okay, okay, okay. It's super special today. I'm excited. I can hear myself in the background. I'm not sure. I'll have to have a look-see. Give me a second. Okay. Okay, we have Europe. Why is that there? Wait a second, let me hide that. Yeah, give me 2 seconds. Yes. Oh no. I think it's that one. Yep, it's that one. 2 seconds. Yep. Ta-da! Hey OTT, what's up? Sorry, just saying hi to only to trainer. Okay, this is Bob's screen.
Hi.
By the way.
Good morning.
Okay, guys, this is Bob's screen. Just anyone, yeah? Anyone wondering? I don't know if they can hear you. Can you guys hear Bob? Guys, can you guys hear Bob? Okay, maybe not. They're not even answering me. Okay, so nope, that's interesting. How? That's the one thing. Let me try and figure out how to get this. Yeah. What I could do is everything you say, I'm just gonna repeat. Yes? No? Maybe? Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, I'm just gonna translate for Bob. Sorry, guys. So, literally whatever Bob says, I'm gonna just say it. Okay. So, Bob goes with 1 hour chart. Sorry, no, it's a bit weird. And if you open up in Trading View, the volume range, volume profile, that one. Is VRVP. Oh, there we go. Visible range volume profile. There we go. Okay, so that one. Once you find that, you go into settings. And these are the settings that you want to have. I mean, if you guys want to watch back later and pause, you can do that. Yeah, exactly. You want number of rows, row size 200, volume Up, down. Damn, I'm delayed. I can hear that. I think Bob's in her head. You guys are rude. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then the second one you want to use is Session Volume Profile, which is SVP. Cool. Okay, the regular one, not the HD. We want normal stuff here. OTT, this feels like a school lesson. I mean, it is kind of. And the settings for that one. There we go. It's all up, down. Value area volume is 70. Rows layout and row size is 100. I used to add Bob levels to my chart without even knowing it. Once you get those, you just click OK. It's crucial to get as much information as possible. And this is the MNQ. So MNQ and NQ are gonna be different. So use whichever one you guys actually trade on, but I use the MNQ, so MNQ. And so what you're gonna look for is these high volume nodes. And then basically what Bob did here, like you can see that node right there is kind of high. Good grief, I'm delayed. But if you find this one right here on the 25,315. Sorry, Bob, I can hear how delayed I am. Then you mark that at these point of controls. And that's basically, yeah, just highlight that area. Put your box on that area. That's basically your starting point, right, Bob? Okay. And once you find this one, you can revamp all these and go this one, which you might do. Okay, cool. So what we got here is, this is where you tell them you just need to yeah. And then between is 75 here. Awesome. I'll show them that. I will show you guys now. Yeah. But it's just how you got it. Yeah, if there's any doubts, here are the coordinates. If no one wants to use the indicators, here are the coordinates to start you off. This is the starting right here. Yeah, and then from there, basically, I'll show you guys on my chart. Yeah, I'll show you guys on my chart how you measure out the different bob levels, and that's it. Aha! Thanks, Bob. Yeah! Oh, thank you. I'm kind of surprised it happened, but... give me a second. Okay, let's see if we can go back to... Ah! Okay, I'll see you later. Oh, good grief. Okay, give me a second. Okay, let me try get this back up now. Why is it not here? Okay, give my chart a minute to find its brain cells again. It's just having a minute. Da, 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 da. Okay, well, apparently we're going chartless. Sorry, give it a second. But, sorry, that was like a very brief... This is what the bob levels are and how Bob got those levels. Essentially, okay, when my thing's back up, I'll show you. Whichever is level to level kind of thing. I want to know what Rip thinks about this. Ah, Solly. I mean, everyone's gonna have different opinions about everything, right? Work. Seriously? Seriously? Ah, there we go. Okay, it decided to come to the party. Okay, so what I wanted to then show you guys, remember I said that you can mark out all your levels and you can just gonna show you the measurement. Hey, I'm back. Sorry. Measurement. So Geordie, literally, so for the bob levels, right? It is as stupid simple. So Bob showed you the starting point for you to be able to start. For the bob levels, it is as stupid simple as between them. It is 75 points. You can see here I've marked out 75. There I started a little bit low, but it's 75 points. And the bob levels themselves are 30 points. That is it. That's how you measure them out. It's 30 points for the bob level. Oh my gosh, I'm measuring this like a chop. No, there we go. 30 points, 75 points in between for each and every single one of them. So they are all evenly spaced and they all just continue. Sorry, ignore that, that's the N-walk. But yeah, so if you have a look at them, you can see that they're evenly spaced. 75 points between each and every single one of them. And each and every single one of them is 30 points long. Yeah. The box is 30 points. And then between the boxes is 75 points. That's it. That's how simple it is. Ta-da! Hey son, what's up? Okay, sorry. I got distracted, but let's do this. So we had 930 opening range. Awesome. Let's mark these out. So yeah, sorry, that was a little bit of like a school lesson, but I did promise at 10k I would show you bob levels, so y'all got bob levels and how Bob got the levels as well. So it's not just hokey pokey. Yes, bro. Yeah, there we go. Good luck, better. 9:30. Let's go check the 5-minute chart quickly. Holy guacamole, 5-minute candle. Damn. What even is this? Okay, 5-minute. Okay, back to the 1 minute. Let's check out. Come on, wakey wakey. Thank you, thank you. First, oh. Here's first presented. I mean, it's small, but it's there. Good grief. Okay. This is the first presented fair value gap. Okay, so we broke below the 5 minute, re-tapped into it. We've taken now the London low. Interesting. Now we're gonna go. Are we gonna touch this 234 level potentially? There's definitely a way to trade level C level using confirmation on the 5 minute chart. Ooh, wait, on the 5 minute chart. That's interesting, Bob. I haven't actually checked out the 5 minute chart. Hey, Trade with Bilkus, what's up? How's it going? How's everyone doing? Sorry, I was a little bit quiet there, but we're back in running order. Okay, broke out. Gonna go a little bit further down. Okay, there's the 5 minute. Kept re-tapping into that. Yep. Okay, we're ready. Oh, let's see for any inquisitive minds. There we go. Edgar, no, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? You love the hit. Thank you. Yeah, got a lot of it. Why is my PC? Thank you. Good now. Wow, better to set up buy and hold. Coming. Son, you think this is going to be a buy? What? Why do you think this is going to be a buy, son? What are you seeing? I would be potentially looking for a short here with my confluences, but I would like it to be taken out at the bottom here. Like so. How big is this range? Oh, I mean, that's not bad. If it retests further up, I would say potentially a decent one for a short. But I know, son, you're looking for a buy, right? I'm looking for a potential retest. This looks like it's potentially going to be a continuation to the sell side. What do you guys think? Continuation? Obo, what's up? Are you asking where OTT is? Joy of Travel, I agree with you. Give me a second, 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 give me a second. Okay, done. I'm liking shorts. Son, I know you think, or you're thinking of a long here. Oh, it might not retest high enough up. This is about to tap into Bob level. But potentially going to go down to Asia lows, which is good. That's good. Buy until tomorrow. Until tomorrow, son. What? Hard to say with no banks trading today. Crazy builds? Today is untradeable. Why do you say that? Oh, because it's a holiday? It's a lie. I had a little green trade over here. I attempted to leave a run at 2 further down. And it took me out of break even. But I mean, I'm still up $82. That's not bad. I wouldn't say this is untradeable. I think it's possible. Just enter with a little bit more caution. Maybe half your risk for today because it is a bank holiday and it could be a little bit different. right? So maybe don't be a degen and risk it all. Don't full port it, but it is tradable. It could actually be a goodie. Seth, how much time do you spend trading on a regular day? Obo? I spend around 4 hours on the charts every day. I spend around 2 hours during the London session and around 2 hours during the New York session, so around 4 hours every day. What's that doing on this one? Hey, Lemon, what's up? How's it going? All the big exchanges are closed. Yep. Looking forward to hit 24900. 24900? No ways. Oh my goodness, I haven't even marked out the next bob level. Okay, so you guys can actually see how I now get a bob level. So for, oh my goodness, unless I do something silly like that. So this ends at 20375. So put it at 20375. Going the wrong way. Okay. $75 points down. Is at 12875. Cool. One, 2, 8, 7, 5. Now we have to go 30 points down. Good grief. Nine, 8. Seven, 5. Let's get exactly. Done. That's how you do bob level. Sorted. Okie dokie. It's gone further down. If we're doing 5 minutes, this could retest further up. Let's see. Again, it is a holiday today. It is a holiday today. I'm gonna wait, oopsies, for confirmation that it's going to reject off of the first presented nicely before I start getting all excited. Hey, Dark Angel, what's up? How's it going? Thanks, Seth. And one sitting over looking. Oh no, over. So it's 2 hours, 2 hours. Mr. Bale, if you're short, what's your target? It would be around 230, maybe Asia low at 210. 210 doesn't look bad. Tapped into V1 on daily chart and spin around. Solly, what? Oh, great, I'm off today. Just stopped. Oh, thanks, Dark Angel. What's your plans then for today? You gonna have a great day or meh? Yeah, what are your plans then for today? Like I said, I'm gonna mitigate risk by half here. Have a potential look here. The fact that it's created a first. Hello. Hello. Okay. We're back. Sorry, I was focusing. Believe it or not, now and then I do actually focus. Now and then, maybe not all the time, but now and then some focus does come into play. Son, you still say this is going up? I'm watching. I'm genuinely curious. We've got a little shopping to do, then maybe go see Avatar. Oh, I'm so jealous. I've really been wanting to watch Avatar, Fire and Ash. Okay, it's rejecting off the first presented. Maybe not as much as I would have liked it to, though. I am watching though. If I see a good rejection, I might actually mark it in for a sell. But like I said, I'm waiting for a good rejection. Yeah, there we go. This is why you wait for confirmation. I was gonna maybe set it and forget it, but I wanted confirmation. Let's see if it rejects off the 9:30 a.m. range. That could be second potential confirmation. If it happens, it'll happen there. But I don't love all the fair value gaps that are being presented to the buy side. There's a lot of bullish fair value gaps now. No News Monday hanging around Janlo. What the? Oh, sorry. Doc Angel, I went on a bit of a rant. Point was, I watched Avatar, the first one, and I can't find a place to watch Avatar The Way of Water. I think that's what it's called. So I feel like I can't go and watch the third one because I don't remember really what happened in the second one. But I really want to see the third one. It's very annoying, but it's fine. Hey Franks, what's up? Wins in the chat. Hey, whoop whoop. Who's had wins? It's on Disney. I don't have Disney Plus. Sad. TP 25800. 25800, son. I'm sorry. What? Okay, damn. Try online platform. That's why my script's saying short and not trading today. Oh, damn. So your script is saying short around here. So this is, like I said, I low-key didn't take this for this reason that it looked like it wanted to go up a little bit higher, and it did it. Just wanted to tap into there. If it starts to reject down properly now, I might mark it in around my 0.5 level for a sell. I know that's kind of going against what a lot of people want or are keen on looking for. Hey! Whoop whoop, Solly, that's amazing! Lalesh, there's a lot of online platforms. Which one? Let's get long. Oh damn, okay, so a lot of people are saying longs. Thanks, Dark Angel. You're amazing. You're amazing. 2026 is gonna be good. Do you want to know why? Because 2026 is year of the horse. Just saying. Don't know if you guys knew that. 2026 is indeed year of the horse. We love horses. They're awesome. I'm saying this is a no trade day for me. Not valid, Dark Angel. So yes, that would have been a loss. Cool. Hey. I mean, listen, I didn't get in on it, but earlier I'm trying to see if I can increase. Yeah, if I can increase my strategy to a 1 to 3 hour strategy. 1 to 3 hour would have been down here. That feels excessive. Was that 1 to 3? Guess it was. Anyways, sorry. Random. Oh yeah, because that was not 1 to 3. This was 1.63. The 1 to 2 was further down here. So yeah, 1 to 3 was around there. Cool. Done. So this is now in the 930 range. Little bounce off of there. It looks like we're going up, potentially going to tap into VWAP. We're not bored yesterday. We went in 15 micros, so I could take 10 off at 30 points, which is 600. Now the other 5 micros running. Damn, Solly, indeed, those are big boy contracts for such a young man. So if you're gonna call me auntie, I'm gonna call you a youngster. Just saying, putting it out there. Hey Tom, what's up? How's it going? Big moves overnight and no follow through to the downside, and it's a holiday. All the big players aren't trading. I expect more range day. I mean, it makes sense, right? Because of it being a bit of a, because of it being a bank holiday, that is very valid for it to be a bit more of a range day. However, let's see. It might surprise us. Like I said, Monday. London actually surprised me a little bit. This was quite a nice trade. and this all the way going down was pretty decent. Sorry, I'm saying a lot. But Tom, hi, what's my strategy? So I use a GAN box, yeah, and it's a 1 to 2 R strategy. I am looking at how I can improve it and increase the R's. That would be ideal, right? If you can increase the R's, that would be amazing. But just so, well, to give you an idea. James, shush. Anyways, yeah, no trading for me today. It looks like range slow chop on low volume. Oh no, Rob. Well. Let's see. This could increase a little bit now. London was a good session for shorts. Yes, it was. So that's why I was kind of curious about, is today going to be a continuation to the sell side? Or are we going to have reversal? Potentially looks like reversal. Nicely called, son. Damn. Also first presented using inverse fair value gap. Ooh, yeah. Actually, and then I just tapped into it and yeeted off. So I just heard someone laughing, but that was a very weird laugh. So, OTT, did you get in on this? Did you get in on the first presented? Tom, I missed that. Oh, I trade both London and New York. Yes, I do. I do. What's up? Watching ICT. Am I watching him? Now and then when I have time, yes, I am popping in to go and check out his streams. Are you? DJ? I would have gotten stopped. Crazy V-shaped recovery and good thing I'm not trading today. Yeah, Chris. That's also why I waited for confirmation. I was considering taking it and I thought, no. Let's wait for confirmation. Thank heavens I did. I was ready for, if it retraced down or kept rejecting off of this first presented, I was ready to potentially take a sell. But good thing I listened to myself, damn. Now and then I do some things that are a little bit smarter than I think, but now and then being the key word there. Ah, okay, OTT. Makes sense. I don't think... Let me actually ask, who's actually trading today? There we go. Let's see. I'm curious. Oh, damn. Okay, heck knows. Oh, winning. Flip. Watching him now would confuse me. Why is that, DJ? I watched stuff 3 years ago and I'm using... Oh, your own... Got it. Clean run, looking how price reversed off the daily chart, volume and balance. At 370, I put a limit at 240. Oh! Solly, whoop, that is freaking amazing. Well done. How's winter in South Africa? I'm just curious to know since you live on the side of equator. Oh, Lalesh, I mean, winter's probably pretty warm compared to a lot of places. I say it gets cold, but I'm a baby when it comes to the cold, so it probably actually doesn't get that cold. I'm just full of rubbish. Hey, Lemon, I mean, that's one way of putting it, but yes. I'm fully out now. Whoop, Dolly, damn! OTT, I mean, yeah, OTT, I mean, how, I don't know, what would you say? This is for Solly. And anyone else that's had a win, whoop, well done. Super proud, well done. Yeah, no. Okay, but it's not like minus 40 degrees, OTT. That's why I say it's not that bad. It doesn't snow here. What? Like, maybe it gets on a bad day down to -1, -2, right? If, you know. Tom, yes, that's, you know, it's essentially market auction theory, right? You want to sell in discount. No, sorry, buy in discount, sell in premium. So that's where the market auction theory comes in, and I use ICT and SMC confluences as a confirmation that it's an A+ setup and that the probability of it being a winning trade is on my side. We're buying, I want money, but now it's target for this. Yeah. Oh, cheers, Dark Angel. Enjoy. Yeah, congratulations to everyone that was a winner chicken dinner today. Honestly, well done. Damn. Solly, I can't believe you bottom ticked that. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. IMC. We started buying 25230. Dom long. What? No ways. What gave you guys that thought that this was gonna be a long here? Damn. Tapped into VWAP. Holy moly, this is really going for it. What, it wanted to take out London low and then go back up for London high? It's kind of what it looks like right now, doesn't it? Dom, where's your TP at? Are you in? Where's your TP at? I mean, this doesn't look great. I feel locked in this year. Damn, Solly, brag much? I mean, I had a little green this morning. It's not bad. Like I said, because of bank holidays, I was cautious with it, which is a good thing. God damn, son, I can't believe it. And you're just gonna stay in a buy now? Tom, is this EU? No, this is the Nasdaq futures. So, Tom, how long have you been trading for? Also, hey, Waver, what's up? How's it going? Hey. For anyone that is new, 2 things. Number 1 is this.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Second thing is, if you guys have Discord and you want to join my Discord, you are more than welcome to. I will post the link in the chat quickly. There's a whole bunch of different traders that are part of the Discord. If you have any questions, if you want any help, if you want to share your journey, you're more than welcome to. You need another channel reading books. Your voice is very soothing. Oh, thanks, Rob. I appreciate that. Listen, I could have like 30 channels. Well, maybe not 30, that's excessive, but trading one. What about a gaming one? A gaming one could be so much fun. A reading one. I actually had that as a potential suggestion on days where the price action just isn't price actioning, right? Because there are some days like that where it's just yucky, for lack of a better word. Some days it's just yucky. Then I must look into getting a trading book and maybe just sitting here reading the trading book out loud. I don't know if you guys would be so keen on that. Could have some very interesting things. You could maybe sit there being like, this is weird. I don't know. But anyways. Hey, Sketch, what's up? So, Tom, you've been trading for 2 years. Yeah, that was rough. That was rough. Good grief. Here we go to the relative equal highs. Whoa, this was amazing. If anyone got in on this, well done. All was good. Hope everyone had a super weekend. Yeah, Sketch, can't complain. How about you? How was your weekend? Everyone happy chappy? Okay, Tom, I see you retracted it, so I will wait for you to pop that message. And then we can go from there. Tapped into that. Whoa. I'm pretty sure this range is going to be way too big for me to actually take, but I'm curious. Way too big. Cool. Cool. Just wow. This reminds me of an old little strategy I used to have.
That's what she said.
Good grief. Proper good, chilled and easy. Amazing. Damn, Solly, damn. Just damn. That was rough. That was... Do we think this is gonna just be ranging? I know Sun believes that this is gonna just continue to the buy side. Oh wait, I missed what everyone said, so heck no. And oh wow, okay, so there's actually quite a few people that are actually trading today. Interesting. I really thought that a lot of people wouldn't trade today because it's the bank holiday. But 71% are saying I'm trading today. And around 50% on the vertical are saying heck no. Okay, I really thought a lot more people would just be like, absolutely not, I'm not trading this. My strategy is what I call significant move strategy. 1 hour, 2 minute multi-time frame on high connection candles for ease of seeing strong moves on 1 hour pullbacks to 2% and look for exhaustion on 2 minute entry time. Okay, Tom. Well, no, that's okay, Tom. That's very interesting. And you said you've been trading for 2 years. Are you profitable? I'm assuming. I don't like to assume. How's the journey been? Because it is a journey. No denying that. I just look at the chart to see if it's worth trading. I mean, that's but I don't trade Mondays. Ooh, you're another person that doesn't trade Mondays. I know there's a lot of people that don't trade Mondays, especially no news Mondays. I guess it's a little bit like with Solly. I trade if it's a good day to trade, regardless of the day. You know, some days are just really good to trade. Other days, not so much. And that's fine. How big is this range? I mean. This would be possible. Not great, but possible. Just still hasn't broken, but it would be... Ooh, there's an inverse fair value gap on ES. Wi-Fi is being dumb, else I would go check the higher time frames, but Wi-Fi is being dumb, so that might not work out so well. For Fridays. There's a lot of people that don't trade Monday and Fridays. Which is interesting, because I'm not gonna lie, sometimes being the keyword, sometimes Monday and Fridays are my best days. Again, I think it just really depends on the week, and the mental state of little me old Maya on the day also has a huge impact, as we know. Damn, I missed the trade. Ah, it's fine. But EU only. Huh. Okay. What made you start with EU, Tom? No, you said I missed the train. Did I though? Let's see. This could retrace now. That was quite a large little wick we got there. Okay, this isn't the ideal place, but let's see. Son, you really think TP is going to be 25,800 or 26,000? What? Are you crazy? Damn, Tom, that's ridiculous. Yeah, no, 20 is a bit rough. Yeah, that's why I started with MNQ, micros. You know, micros help. Oh, wait. Oopsie. I forgot that I did that. Give me a second, give me a second. Here we go. Apologies. Then you guys can see that I am a little bit up to date. Not a lot, but a little bit. A little bit's better than nothing, right? Yes. Yeah, we might just, well, no. Let's be positive people here. I was gonna say we might just be choppy. Maybe not. We could actually potentially get some decent movement. I mean, this was a freaking decent push here. Wow. Just, wow. But let's see if it continues or what its plan is. Might get a little bit stuck in this bob level. Let's see if it's going to break below it or above it though. Oh, got it. You think so, Stefan? Son, is that what you mean? 25,800 by Friday? Tom, how long have I been trading? Not even a year yet. Yeah, April will be 1 year. How cool. So we're getting there. You know, we're getting there. Yay! April will be 1 year, which is super exciting. I think that's going to be amazing. It is indeed a journey. Lack of better word. It is indeed a journey. Okay, so Stefan, you think it could be there by Friday. So you think this is just going to continue to the buy side until Friday? Out of curiosity, why? And do I trade the 5 minute? No, I trade the 1 minute. But I do get confirmation from my high time frames. I check the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour for confirmations and points of interest. Sellers getting absorbed in order flow. That big push was after collecting my order of 15 micros, floating the market for the gang. Thanks, Solly. I think everyone who had a long should thank Solly. Well, except maybe there was someone that was liquidity. Maybe they need to thank them a little bit more, right? Yeah. Anyways. So Tom, am I making money? Slowly but surely, yes. I used to be terrible. Yeah, I'm not even gonna deny that. Wow. It used to be absolutely shocking to watch. I'm pretty sure it used to be, I mean, for some people, you might still feel like pulling your hair out watching me trade, but it used to be so bad. So bad, like embarrassingly bad, but it's fine. And now, I like to believe it has improved. We learn, we execute, we live for this. It's a business for us. 100%, son. We're making more memories than money, and that's okay. Wow. I think we're making more lessons, but memories are fun as well, right? Why does this still look like it wants to go down? Okay. Okay. Looks a little bit stuck here. Hey, Pulp Fiction, what's up? How's it going? Big gap and lots of liquidity to collect. Valid. You think it wants to grab this NWOG? Well, and higher up. Sorry, you're talking about the 800. Actually, yeah, you're right. Here's that big gap. Here's NWAG. Very interesting. Okay. Let's set that chart view again. Let's see where this is. Oh goodness, it does kind of look like it's dried up. Was that it? Was that the whole big move? And now it's like, meh, I'm done, thanks. That would kind of be sad. Pulp Fiction, how you doing, by the way? How have you been? How's it going for everybody? Interesting. Sorry, just having a look at this. Sorry, wait. There, one. And having a look here quickly. That would have made me upset. Wow. Missed by a tick. Or potential short there. Missed by a tick. Wow. Yep, I'm out now, so it's gonna fizzle back out. Solly, I love that. Don't cry because it's over, smile because it happened. I think that may sweep liquidity from the previous low, possibly. Whoa, okay. It's got these relative equal highs going on over here. That would have been, I mean, that would have missed me by a tick. That actually probably would have made me cry more than anything else. Literally, tears. Actual tears. Nope. Would have missed me by a tick before going down. That just feels rude. That just feels so rude. Whoop whoop, done. Well done. In which case it is then just ranging. Hasn't taken out this internal, so this might be going all the way back down. If it does go all the way back down, oh my goodness. Just oh my goodness. Crash. The crash is ready this year. Stefan, that actually makes lots of sense. A lot of people have actually been mentioning that and how that is very much a possibility. We are all just kind of waiting for the news to see what happens. Okay, let's see. It's about to tap into the 930. So I'm just going to move this across slightly so we can see. About to tap into the 5 minute and the 930 range. Let's see how it reacts there. It's about to tap into the inverse fair value gap on ES as well. I think if it's going to continue to the buy side, it should happen around this level. If it's going to, being the key word there. Oh, you think so, Solly? That's super interesting because, again, do you know how many people have said that they think that 2026 is going to be bearish? Tom, you think this is a sweep time? So this just wanted to come grab this order block for continuing back down. Nice. Okay, tapping into the 5 minute and 930 range. Let's see if it respects it. What time is it as well? that also has a point 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 10 a.m. was there. Okay. Tapped into the 5-minute and the 9:30 a.m. range. Let's see what it does here. See how this, Stefan will turn now to back to the buy side. Stefan, here's a long time it'll crash first, then do a big fat recovery. Solly, that is, sorry, hiccups. Solly, that is very, very true. A year is a very long time indeed. Anything can happen within a year. So if I was looking for buys, this 0.5 level would be my entry. I'm gonna do what I did earlier. I'm gonna wait for confirmation. If it goes down to the first presenter and looks like we have a decent push up, I will buy at the 0.5 level. I'll just mark it in, maybe have a stop limit. It's going further down than I would have liked it to though, just saying. Heyo, play the range. I'm really bad at that. I'm not even gonna lie. I am really, really bad at doing that. Which is why I'm super duper nervous to do that. I'm awful. Wix. Short from 25312. Damn, okay, nice, nice, nice. No ways. No ways. Shoot, man. I mean, this is a really large range on a day where there's not a lot of movement. Let's see if this would have bottom wicked me. I will feel so dumb. Oh, so dumb. That being said, never bad to wait for confirmation. Because there we had a bit of a change of character. Now we need to wait and see if we're gonna have a break of structure. So finally finished. Hey DJ, what's up? How's it going? How were the exams? Oh my gosh. Are you freaking kidding me, man? Seriously? This would have been my trade. There's my trade. Would have bottom ticked in. Seriously? 2940. Oh, 294, 294. Oh, nice. Okay, so wait, Chris, are you in this or are you still not? Yeah, you're still not going to do this. Ah, there we go. go, DJ. That's not bad. Quick scalp win now long. Skipping. No, okay. There we go. Because, like, I wasn't trusting price action, to be fair. And I also thought that it would go a little bit further down into the first presented, and then I would have entered when I saw a proper retracement. Look at it go. See, now part of me wants to be cheeky and just take one here. But that's super cheeky. Just mark it in here. Just say through it. Just go for it. I know a young lad who would just mark it in. True. Would that be you, Sully? Oh, Sierra charts. No, I know a lot about Sierra charts, Rob. I've been kind of curious about them. Potentially want to have a proper look at them. Why do I not trust my setups? Yeah. I mean, it was the full range. It was a little bit risky. I think that's the problem. Well, I mean, that's very expensive, seeming as I live in South Africa. Just saying. And I forgot to F word. That's okay. Back up to VWAP potentially. Let's see if this... not as ideal. And I do not like that little doji over there. Could Loki come back? Took these out. How big is this? Don't let FOMO win, right? I do know that. Don't let FOMO take over. Hey Nadir, what's up? How's it going? I know, Apple Butter. Can you tell I was thinking about it? Hey dog, what's up? How's it going? Nadir, well, I did actually take a trade during the London session, and it was good. I am being now. You freaking lie. I am now being cautious about New York session because it is a bank holiday. Oh, I'm gonna feel like a chop for potentially missing both of these, but it's fine. I think that's from 310 up to 340. Well, Chris, I read that too late. Too late! Literally, here's that bounce. Shoot, and there would have been my entry. You can be clingy. Yeah, I can't spell. That's okay, DJ. I see before what's happened. Markets. Communicate Discord because on YouTube you have 5-minute delay. 5-minute? Damn, Dom, that doesn't sound right. 5-minute delay sounds a bit crazy. Expecting there. Don't let FOMO win. It's quite difficult to watch. I would have mitigated my risk by half already. Oh well, it is what it is. Fine. Hey Michelle, winning! Well done! In this trade is no loss. True. True. Like I said, it is bank holiday. It is bank holiday. So, it's fine. Cans and bacon. Great there in transport. True OTT. I am, like I said, I'm kind of forward testing the 5-minute and the 9:30 range. I quite like the first presented. How many do you use? OTT, how many confluences do you use? Or is yours just more to do with point of interest? And there we go. Mine accidentally done with. I remember that game. Oh, DJ, I do remember that game. Wow. That was quite a fun game. I wonder if it's still around. And it was a very catchy little theme song. Thanks. That's now going to be stuck in my head. Well, this is fun to witness. So much fun to witness. For bias, just 2 point of interest, 2 the same as my bias. Then my entry, so max 3, which needs to show. Oh, interesting. Okay. Exactly. Using a lot is just going to cause a lot of doubt. No, and I mean, that makes sense. That does make sense. You don't want to sit there doubting. Stefan, how many do you use? So, oh my gosh, that may have missed paying the duck by a point. It's quite a high resistance level. It's quite hard to watch. That being said, it's nice to know that this week is starting with the price action working. I want to say in my favor. Does that make sense? Like I said, London session was actually a beautiful trade. So far, all the trades I've placed for New York session look like they would have been winners, except for the first one, but there's a reason I didn't take it, because I needed confirmation and I didn't get the confirmation. So, you know, so that would have been a win. That would have literally wicked me in and taken me there. Well, let's see. Wow, that would have sucked. Looks like it would have missed me potentially by a point. Wow! That would have made me sad. I remember all the lyrics. Oh my gosh, how do you remember all of that, Solly? Like, I feel like you went to look it up. Oh, no ways. Oh, TT, that sucks. But busy is just South African thing. Really? That's very interesting. What? Is that a South African thing? I didn't think that was a South African thing. But yes, blessings to you, son. Have an amazing day. I hope it's awesome. I hope everyone's having an awesome day. And I hope everyone had an amazing weekend, by the way. To anyone who I haven't said that to, I hope you're having an amazing weekend. I hope it was just great. Just great. Oh, interesting. So, I mean, oh, useless. I get that. Yeah, I get that. It's like the weird random shark fact. I know a lot of shark facts now. Do any of them help me with my real life? No, but I know them. Hey Jose, what's up? I had a green trade this morning. I missed 2 winning trades now, so that's fun, but I guess it is what it is. And yeah. I'm trying really hard not to let FOMO win now. So part of me is looking at this going, I could maybe, oh my goodness. What just happened? 10:37, again this time, 10:37. Need to have a look at that. Ooh, there we go, see Solly. Me and we can chat shark fact. I was thinking of doing that. Let's see if this would have worked. Sure. I mean, that would have actually scared me. That would have terrified me. Nope. This is why you don't let FOMO win. Wow. So I was really considering doing that. What the heck just happened? Was there a tweet? Was there news? What just happened? Snaps, I'm in and out quick. I don't care for runs though. You do leave runners. I'm mainly 3 cons, but I run RSI levels patterns too once I see them. Oh, step. Okay, that makes sense though. Oh my gosh, it wouldn't have taken me out. I don't know how, but it wouldn't have taken me out. Yet being the keyword. Looking at this, it looks good for a short, but I feel like I'm going long short, long short, long short, long short, long short. Which is not great. DJ, no, this is not TradingView. This is Project X. I'm still using Project X for now. For now. That was a huge drop. That was a massive drop. If anyone's in a buy, wow, did that scare you? That would have terrified me. I mean, I would still be in this trade. I would still be in red, but oh, there we go. Now I'd be in green. What? There we go. Okay then. Wow, just wow. Like I said, potentially this is just being rangy, isn't it? This kind of is just being rangy. Made an imbalance here again. Oh, it'd still be on the massive long. So I know this looks like chaos to anyone that's joined. I'm gonna buy, I can't be scared. Ah, true. Who is scared? Fear, no. I laugh in the face of fear. Ha ha ha. No, I'm joking. Anyways. How long do most of your trades last roughly? Oh, DJ, it really depends on the day and the price action. I've had some trades that I'm literally ticked in and taken out within the minute. I've had some where I've been in a trade for over an hour. Really depends on the price action. Yeah. So let's see what this does now.
Nice.
Here we go. Oh shoot, going back up. Huh. This fair value gap would have scared me a little bit. Maybe scared is the wrong word. Maybe I need to find a different word, because I feel like scared is the wrong word to be using. Yeah, there we go. See, DJ, it really depends on the price action. We have an inside bar on the 1 hour since 3 p.m. That's why we're ranging. If you mark up the high and low of that 1 hour, you can trade the range until it breaks either way. that's interesting. Is that what you do, Sketch? Oh, cheers, Tom. Okay, cool. Nice. Until then, we are ranging. Great. Hey, Crawbillies, what's up? Good morning. Concern. There we go. Okay, yes. Concern definitely sounds better than scared. Because I don't think scared is the correct word. Okay, nice to know that... Okay, let me stop talking. I was gonna say nice to know that my predictions today have seemed to be correct. For now. But yeah. Nice. Aware. Ooh, okay. Yes. Concerned or aware? I think aware. To get back long, I would want to see a low swept, you think? Yeah, let's see, Tom. I think this might... let's see, it is just playing a little bit now. Just playing a little bit. Select which 50% pullback you want to buy or sell. You have directions in mind and then you wait and you... Oh! Hello, what's up? So how do I elect which one? So in general, sorry, so you can see I was curious about this one. So I have A+ setups, right? So I look for an A+ setup. I mean, you can see this one would have bottom wicked, which would have been amazing. You can see I've put up quite a bit of things here. Sorry, I know it's a bit of an information overload, but it's essentially bottom of the range to top of the range. I need at least 3 confluences protecting my stop loss for it to be a valid trade. So with this one, I would have had, I mean, multiple fair value gaps. I would have had the first presented fair value gap that created an inverse fair value gap. And there was one other point. What was the other point? Oh, at the 9:30 range and the 5-minute candle. All of those were really good. I just didn't take it because today is a bank holiday. I suspected that it might be ranging hectically, in which case it may have gone all the way back down and then all the way back up. So, you know, to save and do some risk management, I then left it. Which, looking at it, was maybe a mistake. But that being said, I would have still been in this trade, and it's just going sideways right now. And then with this one, it's why I also didn't take it. It only had one confluence. It only had one confluence, so it wasn't an A+ setup for me. And especially on days like this, let's not mess around with trades that are not A+ setups. And this, yeah, this is kind of, it's coiling. It's just getting smaller and smaller. This is going to break out hectically, but in which direction is... Yeah, in which direction? Tom, what's my RR? Normally 1 to 2 R. I was testing it out today, so here's the winning trade from today. I was testing out today if I made it 1 to 3 R. Yeah, as you can see, unfortunately not. I mean, it got kind of close. Yeah, got close-ish. Unfortunately not. I'm trying to do some testing to see if I can increase the R's a little bit. Gives you a little bit more wiggle room, if you will. Hey Mac, what's up? I trade every day. Every single day. Don't have the stomach for this? That's valid. Heyo, Thomas. Well, yes and no. I took a little trade. Listen, I mitigated the risk by quite a bit. That's why I'm only up $82. I took a little trade this morning on London session. Frustrating to see that this trade is looking like a decent one as well, but it is what it is. Things happen. It's fine. That's what I'm thinking. Let's bring up... Oh, interesting, Stefan. Okay, so you kind of agree that this might be a coil and it's going to just freaking pop off or rip off or whatever you want to call it. To the moon. again, it is bank holiday. It could just actually do nothing. That's quite sad to say, but it could actually just end up doing absolutely nothing. See, that one would not have worked. That one would not have worked. I think the buys are winners for today's English. Nailed it. Wow. Oh, Lilesh, exactly. What are you trading on? Alpha futures or something? No, Luxo. Top on futures eval. Yep, so I'm using prop firm and I'm on Project X. For now. But I took a short last night in Asia session, not to hey, whoop whoop, Thomas, that's not bad. Speculated chop. I don't think enough people are around to go for the gap yet. No, I agree with you. I mean, that gap is huge. That NWOG is ridiculous. I suspect that potentially tomorrow this chart could be going for the NWOG. Oh, you're welcome. I hope it answered your question, kind of. Sorry, I tend to have a little bit of ADHD, so I go a little bit, lack of better word is short story long, and maybe I forget what I was saying midway through. So if I didn't answer fully and you have more questions, please let me know. I apologize. The ADHD kicks in and I just go, cool. That gapper is super big. You know, 100%. When I saw it this morning, I was like, what is that? It was a little bit ridiculous. Hey, British, what's up? Tom, you now think we're coming back down? I don't know. I don't know. The NWOG, what's that? Oh, the NWOG. So the new weekly opening gap. Mac, yes. I hope that. Yes, good. John, ayo, what's up? To anyone that's just joined, just beta dubs. It's for you.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How are you? How are we doing? I hope everyone's having an amazing day. I know it's bank holiday, so for anyone that is on holiday, I hope you're having fun. I hope everyone had a weekend that was
nice.
Sorry, I had to. Oh, thanks, Apple Butter. Yeah! We're at 10K, how exciting. Polly, what? Did I just read? That's fine. Yes, but we have reached 10K, guys, which is redonkulous. Get it, donkey, because of the good morning thing, and it's cute as heck. It's redonkulous. Anyways, sorry. I'll stop talking. Oh, thanks, Lilesh. Am I becoming a Discord one now? Oh, speaking of, if anyone is new and they want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to. I'll pop the link if you guys want. Do like a little hands up and I'll pop the link in the chat. If you don't want to, I won't bother popping it in. But there is a Discord that you're more than welcome to join. It's, well, in my opinion, obviously, it's the best community out there. If you guys ever need help, everyone there is so willing to help. It's amazing, and it's a place for you to share your P&L. It's a place for you to share any concerns. Yeah, just a bunch of like-minded people. DJ, sure, why not? Is he also a trader or not really? Well, Tom, you did think that this was gonna come back down. Damn, this does kind of look like it's gonna be a bit of a chop fest now. How annoying. NWOG. So here we go. Mac. Let me show you. Where is it at? There it is. Gonna just zoom out quickly. There we go. So this huge thing, NWOG. So NWOG. So it's the new weekly opening gap. So N new W weekly O opening G gap. New weekly opening gap. And I mean, this thing is like 120 points. It's huge. It's huge. Okay. It's massive. It's massive. Wow. I didn't even see how big it was. Wow. Like, I mean, I saw how big it was, but I didn't register that it was like 120 points. Anyways, sorry, going back to this. I think it's gonna want to come and at least tap back into it tomorrow. I suspect. Suspect being the keyword. Oh, nice, DJ. Okay, no. Of course, everyone's more than welcome. The more the merrier. Here we go. So I'll pop it in if anyone wants to join. It is also in the description. But yeah. Like I said, it is in the description if you guys want to join there, but here we go. So not so much. So Mac, do you want me to explain to you what it is? Big capper in the B. Heck yes, Dolly. It's the way to do it. No, that sounded weird, but anyways. Let's do this. Let's do this. Wait, whoa. Oh my gosh, this really is coiling. It hasn't taken out anything yet. Okay, that would have been a loss if I tried to enter in along there, but okay, I am actually low-key happy that I was hands off. What is happening? What time is it? Why did it just freak out now? 5 minutes. This is actually quite interesting price action for a bank holiday. Like, I know it's kind of ranging, but there's movement. It's not sad movement. This is actually quite fun price action. Well, I'm enjoying watching it. Oh, as in, okay, yeah, got it, Mac. Yeah, I was like, what? Noted. To choose, I'd buy very temporarily. I agree. Like I said, I do believe that this is coiling and it's going to shoot to the moon. I suspect. Sorry. I suspect. Definitely not financial advice, please. 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 DJ, are you good? Do you need like a hug today or something? Oh my goodness. I dropped the range in Discord on the 1 hour. That's what I meant about the range. I'll stay in that zone until it breaks either side. So, Sketch, is that what you're doing? Are you kind of trading as it hits, trading as it hits, trading as it hits, or I'll go check out the Discord now. What you doing? So is that how you're trading? Or are you waiting for it to break out? What are you thinking? What's your plan? Let me go check it out quickly. Ah, interesting. Okay, I see, Sketch. Cool. So you are trading the range. I need sleep. 4 hours of sleep and my legs are dying from trading them for the first time. I mean, DJ, that would do it. That would do it. I get it. I get it. Believe me, I get that. Wait, so you would say your legs are... Sorry, I had to. I saw the opportunity and I seized it. Hey, Frank, how's it going? Let's see where this heads. Yeah, DJ, you must tell your friend to come and join us on YouTube as well. Join the Discord, come join YouTube, come have a good old time with us. Like I said, amazing community. Damn, this is coiling solidly. I had an idea, but I was like, maybe let me not do that. Yeah, this looks choppy. Only setup I had. So when price broke 244 a.m. New York, then the liquidity would be hunting formed at 4:28 a.m. New York. Then went for full sell side flush. Yep. There we go, DJ. Franks? I really don't know. I really don't know. I want to say buys, but it has slowly been dropping. I mean, as I say, it's slowly been dropping down. It's also slowly been going up. This literally, for me, I feel this could go either way. I want to say buys maybe to VWAP. Here we go. This might be... Nope. Maybe I spoke too soon. I was about to say this might be it. My friend in here, but we barely changed this. I mean, that's valid, DJ. Oh, cheers, OTT. Enjoy. Yeah. I hope it's a goodie, goodie, goodie. Okay, it's nearly 11. Let's see what we get. Maybe the 1 hour opening candle or 1 hour closing candle, whatever, is gonna be a goodie. Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay. Here's the 11 a.m. candle. Let's see if it breaks the buy side. It looks like it. Come on, buy side. I say that like I'm in a trade, but still. Come on, buy side. Let's go. Hey, there we go. There we go. Buy side it is. Let's see if this continues to VWAP. Break 25194. What about 194? What? 194 is very far down. Really? Should I test it out? Should I keep the pink one on and see if it just works out better? That's hilarious. I wonder if that's correct. I can't believe I would still be in this trade. It's been how long? Over 30 minutes. I didn't take it, which looking, you know, maybe a mistake, but again, it is a bank holiday. You have to be smart with your risk management, and it is risky trading on a bank holiday, right? So, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Oh, sad. It's okay. We still have literally the rest of the week. We have the rest of the week. Did you see my comment? Oh, it's all good. I was just sharing my perspective. Oh, sorry. Did I? Yes. Looks choppy. Only setup I had was yes. Then went for full stuff. Yes, I did. Sorry, Thomas. I did see it. So, Thomas, you agree that this is probably most likely just gonna potentially stay choppy because of the holiday? Everyone trades on... No, DJ, a lot of people actually don't trade on bank holidays. Solly, do you need, like, glasses on? I'm confused. Solid, we have to, like, get you a pair of glasses. Looking at this, it actually would have not been bad for a long setup here. A win there. Wait. If it had tagged me in, let's not even lie. Oh, you little biscuit. That would have made me so angry. Never mind. Wow, can you imagine the audacity of that? Hey, Fish Doctor, what the up? What's up? How's it going? World Free Speech? How are you? Yeah, that would have made me mad. I mean, this whole situation is making me mad. It looks like it's gonna be a winning trade. Fine. It's gonna come take out these relative equal highs. Was here, retraced into the 50%, back up. Cool. Hey Kim, how's it going? What's up? Welcome. How's everybody doing? I can't complain. World Free Speech. Here, I would have taken TP1. Frustrated, but it's okay. And FOMO wants to kind of win. Don't let it win. I'm trying so hard to not let it win now. That being said, looking at it here, I'm just gonna move this across slightly. Shoot, if it had started to retrace slightly, I would have said, hey. That looks promising, but it's about to tap into VWAP, which was potentially my point of interest. Damn it. There's VWAP. One, two, three. I mean, if this comes back slightly, nope, it's just gonna run away without me. Would have hit my TP there. Damn it. That is so frustrating. That would have been such a nice trade. Oh, I mean, I would have been in it for nearly an hour, but still. Wait, Solly, are you actually colorblind? Kim, how's it going? Wait. Solly, legit? Like, really? I can't tell if you're messing with me or not. I feel like I need to make it less than half that no matter what happens, I'm still in the green. So I wouldn't be a seller, would be a buy. Stupidly low risk, okay. Did just take out these relative equal highs. Hasn't taken them on ES yet though, so that's potentially something. Went back into opening price during London session. We're just gonna continue up to London high by the looks of things. Cool. Oh, this is just running now. Cool, cool, cool. That's fine. That's fine. A runner for the start of the year would be dynamite. Traders that use 50 may try to start longing manipulation price there that could possibly act as a change in the state of delivery. 348. Thomas, I must say, it actually blows my mind just how much you know, and you're so young. Like, it's wild. What? Are you serious, Solids? So interesting. See, the more you know about people, the more you learn. What? Like Marines equivalent in the US, right? Huh. John, yeah, cash out. What do you mean? You think this might be a hectic turning point? I mean, it did just take out relative equal highs. But there's still this gap on the higher time frames. I can see it already. There's this nice gap on the higher time frames that I might want to come back and get. This is indeed an A+ setup still, so I'm gonna leave it. Like I said, I've made it so that even if it is a loss, I will still end the day in a green. I've made sure that I haven't risked more than I've made today. DJ, you think it's a turning point now? Why is that? If it takes out the high on ES, I will be a little bit more wary. Aware. I'm trying to find the right word. There it goes. Damn. I'm trying not to chase, but this does kind of look like a bit of a runaway train situation happening right now. Why? Oh, how frustrating. How very, very frustrating. Okay, again, good to know that so far everything I had thought of would have been correct. It's a really nice way to start Monday, even though it's a bank holiday. For me, it's a really nice way to start. Why chase if you're not a runner? I mean, I am kind of a runner, just saying. Kind of. Oh, it's about to take out my point of interest, damn it. Dagabbit. Would this still be small enough? Yep. It's still fine. Okay. She's a track star. Exactly. Exactly. I think in the long run I'd continue up looking at the hourly times. I don't know what this stuff is. DJ, yeah. Not as much as I should. But yeah, I do a little bit of running. Like when I was in school, I used to be a sprinter, and now I do a little bit of long distance, like 3K runs. They're not that long, but still. Hey, fish doctor, I love it. I love it. Okay, it's taken out the high on ES and tapped into this fair value gap. It's a bit risky now. Shoot, man, this is just going. What the heck? Whoa. Whoa. This is just running away. Man, I should have taken that damn trade. Lesson learned. Stop being a baby, just do it. If Bob was here, he would yell at me. Straight up yell at me. Oh! Listen here, Solly. I feel like I need to like show you my Strava now, except it's not great. Maybe I shouldn't show you my Strava. Bad idea. Okay, check out that high. Hit the imbalance on ES. I still like it for a long, but is it going to retest that far down? Harry, stop. Okay, let's see if it is going to retest that far down. It's 6:15 my side. I know it's nearly, well, I was going to say it's nearly lunchtime, but I guess the banks are on holiday, so... Night. Exactly, Solly. What's going on year 7? I've tried a lot of different strategies, so I look at the market from multiple perspectives. I have a few favorites, but I like to be aware of everyone. So, Thomas, serious question. Okay, doesn't it sometimes confuse you? Like with all those multiple strategies and everything that you have in mind, doesn't it sometimes get confusing? Or do they all kind of help each other? Sorry if that's a dumb question. You know, just, yeah, curiosity. Bro! Wow, can we retrace a little bit? This is ridiculous. This is overextending like crazy. Don't even know if I want to get in on this long anymore with how it's acting here. Oh my gosh, can you imagine I took that freaking trade? I would be nearly 100-point trade again. Okay, I need to start trusting the price action again for this month in general, because it looks like it's now playing nice, whereas last week it was not playing nice. Okay, so 2 is still fine. Ooh, is 2 still fine? 2, hey, stop it! Stay there. Goodness gracious. No, DJ, this is ridiculous. It'll run until she enters a trade, then we'll dump. Wow, Fish Doctor. I would say rude, but you know what? When you're right, you're right. Yeah, when you're right, you're right. I can't argue with that. Relevant to everyone. And I must drop like I'm mentally ill. Look. This also run around like 20 times. Oh my gosh. Solly, that's hilarious. Sorry. Oh, I just read that now. 7-year part helps with that confusion. Four to 8. Interesting. Okay. I don't mix them, I align them. I check for who is longing and who is shorting. The more strategies that align with my setup, the more likely I am to hit TP. I mean, that makes sense though. Same. 6 years, I'm adapting always. You don't run, I don't follow to run. It's for athletes. I'm an athlete, I think. Depending on the day. maybe some days not so much. Let me just see what this is about. There we go. Is it? Let's see, is it bad? Oh, it is bad. Scroll across on the map, Asia's been making a lower high since 7 p.m. A lot of liquidity left hanging up there. Mine looked similar, gated community, small blob. That's all I had, running in circles. Oh, flip. That does, yeah, that would happen. That would tend to happen. Yeah, I feel like I'm about to enter in on the high, which feels super risky. Got BWAP. It's still an A+. Holy lag. Hey, Hot Life, what's up? People just don't understand that market conditions play a huge role in it. Some strategies work better. Oh my gosh. I know. That being said, I would have had such a freaking good trade if I'd taken it. Except it now looks like the price action's slowed down. Okay. Zoom out to see the draw as you're just longing into the abyss. You talking about this one here? Oh, I see it here. Yeah? Oh, damn! Okay, I see. Whoa. This 220 level, I mean 420 level. 420, sorry. Essentially a good draw would be London high, and like you said, this 420 level would be amazing. There's even these equal highs around here, damn. To retrace though, that's the next question. Would be amazing if it did. I'm so bummed about this. Fine, it's fine. Leave it alone, ignore it. Pretend you didn't miss anything. This is basically what I have set up. Is it going to retrace back there though? Maybe not. I like my confluences. I like this trade. Come on, please. If it starts running away again, I might have to call it, but shoot, I really like this trade. If you didn't read out for news, you would have played some. One model that would look. This is a classic bull flag. You can measure the pulse flag for the TP. That's interesting. You gotta take that you were right in your reasoning. Oh, that's true. Thanks, Steven. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. 10-day liquidation guaranteed. Hey, Global Spain, what's up? How's it going? Was also in the trade book got out. We'll re-enter again because it made an inverse head and shoulder in 5 minutes, so waiting for it to retest the neck again. Ooh, hey James the Viking, how's it going? Model or pattern, but I think everything is a kind of model. I know some people do pattern trading. Oh, here we go. I've struggled to see it. I kind of struggle with the pattern trading. Not that I struggle to see patterns, just, you know, there's very specific things that you have to look for, and it doesn't always make sense to me. Maybe the problem is sometimes I see too many of the same pattern. I don't know, and then it just doesn't always work. Things happen. Fish Doctor, I was thinking about that the other day, but then I felt like maybe it was a little bit cheeky to do that. Does that make sense? On ES, why does it look like a Loki wants to go short now? It's fine. I pattern when seen. Fish doctor, now we're cooking with some gas. I have considered that, but hear me out. Wouldn't brokers low-key get upset if you like doing a lot of opposites? If that makes sense. Does that make sense? Do they not care? Because I've wanted to do that before. Like you said, potentially here, this is now not looking great. I don't like this price actually going down. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. They only care about loss. I mean, that, I guess. I think you could get away with it on bigger ranges. Battered, like here, if it retests, let's see. Let's do a little bit of a forward test here. Potentially. I did consider it the one day, but then I felt like I was maybe being a little bit cheeky to do that, if that makes sense. I'm selling into you, my buy. Does anyone do that? If I mean, that's what we're kind of discussing. Is it a viable thing to do? Is it a cheeky thing to do? Is it frowned upon? You know. Yeah. Trading is from the word of trade, so it's getting me patterned. I don't really trade patterns that much, but my eye just catches it so quickly for some reason. I mostly trade support and resistance and trend line and supply and demand. Interesting, James. Okay. Okay, so to answer that, this wouldn't have even given me a option to get in to where my entry is. Shoot. Okay, let's see what this does. Order filled, but this low-key looks like it wants to keep going down. But I'm leaving it alone. My one will be there. A good point of interest if it goes there. This kind of looks like it's gonna take me out, but whatever. Come on, respect my confluences, or don't. Wow. Okay. Cool. It's also created an inverse fair value gap. That's amazing. Or shallow tap will drop below 344. Interesting. Take some stabbing both ways. Huh. DJ, you knew it. That's so rude. Okay, let's zoom in. Let's see what this is going to do to me. Oh, this is gonna probably take me out, isn't it? Yep. Hey, black and white brick. I was looking for a buy, but maybe it was a mistake. Let's see. Not real money, hence my non-biased view. I'm back in the trade. It just retested the neckline now. Oh, thanks, James. Well, let's see. Stop loss taken on buy, now sell and play. Interesting, Stefan. Okay, okay. Well, I'm hands off. I'm hands off right now. Let's see what we get. I know I'm kind of trading overtime a little bit here, but Once more, valid setup. I think that's the thing, right? For me, this was a valid setup. I must just leave it alone. Regardless of what happens. If it's a loss, it was still valid. Can you see I'm just telling myself that? Oh shoot, this looks like it's gonna go down further. Oh, this is gonna take me out. 317 is 50% of the origin range. Sugar honey iced tea. Right now I'm practicing more longer trades, day trading, looking for breakouts, doing micro, copper futures and gold. So wait, DJ, you're basically trying some swing trading? Why? Nah, this is gonna take me out. Seriously, had the correct idea for everything else, and then this one came and just kind of went, no. Cool. When you hit nearly, not the stop, not the train, even more, but thanks, Monster Bob. Oh, this is gonna be a slow, painful death again, isn't it? Slow, painful death incoming. Yep. And out. Well, I'm still in the green by $2, but still in the green. Again, by $2, but still. So interesting that you say that, Thomas, because I did check and I stuck with the rule of if it's taken out the 50% of the full range, then that range is kind of, I don't want to say mitigated because mitigated is the wrong word, but okay, let's see if it continues now. Damn! Thomas, did you mean this full range? Shoot. Oh, how badly I wanted to just mark it in there. Oh, I just wanted to mark it in here. Hey, Alex, what's up? Oh, interesting. Well, it's retesting VWAP. Oh, the urge to just do that and just mark it in as channel you in as Sully. Wow. Oh, there. Oh, I see. Interesting. Okay. Tapping into it again. Oh, the urge. Oh, the urge to mark it in is bad, but okay. That blows green is profit for ants. Better than red though. Fish doctor, no, exactly. Oh, it's fine. It is what it is. One win, one loss today. It's fine. Learning. Always learning. I'm checking out the volume as well and everything that's going on here right now. We all have the power of 1,000 solis. Yep, 100%. retest it into bob level. Okay, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. I'm having to tell myself not to mark it in here. Ooh, okay, leave it alone. Nope, leave it alone. Okay, okay. Begone, temptation, okay. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna call it there because I can tell I'm gonna do something I regret. So I'm gonna call it there. I'll be back tomorrow, both London and New York session. Yeah, before I do something dumb. I love you guys madly. See you then. You guys have been amazing. Yeah, love you lots. Bye.